So if you know me, you know I love a good sound design. Usually what I'll do after I finish editing a video is take a day or even two just to make the sound design, as I think most of the times it's overlooked or just missing. But in this video I actually wanted to try something different, and that's to record all the audio with this little guy. For my sound effects I normally use services like Epidemic Sound or Artlist. But there are two major downsides to this. The first one is the amount of time it takes to find the right sounds. And sometimes you have a specific sound in mind but don't know what to search for or how to find it. Then, even when you have all the sounds together, it's not easy to mix them up. And the second downside is you must pay for it monthly. You need an active subscription to websites like Epidemic Sound or Artlist to download these sound effects. Whilst for this mic you only pay once and you can use it anytime you want. It's also wireless, so you don't need to stay close to the camera to get a clean audio. I'm actually using it right now, so you can see it's a pretty good audio. Now, I'm not saying I won't be using online services anymore. I just wanted to show you how easy you can create your own sound effects. And that's it for me. See you in the next one.